I watch man as we scan through definitions, wishing to be comfortable. I am indivisible, I'm the top and the bottom, expanding the in-between, existing as one unstoppable. I've seen identities lose potency, send us back to the drawing board, trying to solidify the infinite, forcing me to keep walking, praying for our awakening. My struggle is enough to make the world stop turning, but I keep learning, earning understanding, bringing clarity to the mission. These human inventions don't apply to my nature. I'm tired of fake humor. This world has no place for me. Mundane brain training's all I'm gaining from conversation. I'd rather speak to some turntables and tell them how I don't want to be famous. My aim is the elevation of mankind's way of thinking, cause I know all too well the hell's thoughts can produce. And I know from experience, brain tapping from birth leads to self-inflicted abuse, mentally and physically, conscious or unconsciously. Speaking honestly, I was born to love, forced to fight. Wrong and right is what my parents told me with their window to the world, molding me, showing me who I should be with a will more free than stolen goods. Alone I still with a feeling in gut like what's life worth? Is birth a death sentence? And life is finding the beauty in it. And before it's finished we have a minute to see beyond the diminished remnants in darkness. Vision is given from worlds beyond, my thoughts beyond. Some heal the planet or just straight bum rush the snakes living beneath the granite with flows above the standards. Intellectually speaking, spirits creeping through your speakers, truth seekers. It seems we're about to watch it all crumble. Be strong and stay away from the debris. Break free, the sunshine is calling. One turn to two to make three, the votes are all in. It's a split decision, it's a hidden agenda. It's the love that's missing in the lives we live in. It's survive forgiving, cause I'm too tired for winning competition without the soul's permission. I do my part in the mission, hope my efforts are sufficient. I can't front like I'm innocent, my ill day's guilt is what makes me feel like this. I put it all on the table, I'm able to make it, disabled to fake shit and watch the most give grace to this nearly wasted vessel. Sound found me, now I'm seeing life in a profound way.
There are great artists in every era who are so new and so different that nobody can understand. The ears or the eyes are not used to it.
When I listen to music, one of the few times I actually have a kind of a love for humanity. You hear the best part of the soul of common people, you know, their way of expressing their connection to eternity, or whatever you want to call it.